Ever since the World's Fair in Chicago in 1893, Ferris wheels have been a big draw. When a technical concept has such a long history, you wouldn't really expect any further innovations, but they are possible, as demonstrated by the new transportable RR40 giant wheel from Gerstlauer Amusement Rides. Hydraulic cylinders make light work of lifting the 4 central columns from a semi-trailer, and a small crane is sufficient to assemble the remaining components. 4 friction wheels help turn the Ferris wheel. LED lighting and an innovative drive system from SEW-Eurodrive minimize the energy consumption.
The 4 DRN helical gear motors from SEW-Eurodrive on the friction wheels benefit from excellent efficiency and are powered via MoviDrive modular frequency inverters. These in turn are connected to the local network via a DC link downstream from 2 SEW-Eurodrive power supply modules. The braking energy of Ferris wheels was previously converted into heat and was therefore lost. But thanks to this company's power and energy solutions, it is now stored temporarily and can be called upon if required.
8 double-layer capacitor modules absorb released energy, which cuts the eco-friendly giant wheel's energy costs by between 20 and 30%. This concept also enables a cost-efficient small network connection at the installation site. A Movi-C controller from SEW-Eurodrive controls the interplay between energy storage unit, drive controller, and DC link.
With a total height of some 43 meters, the economical Ferris wheel is the new attraction at the Munich-based fairground business Heinrich Willenborg, which specializes in transportable Ferris wheels. A total of 24 gondolas on V-shaped hanging arms on the outside of the wheel each offer 8 passengers an unobstructed panoramic view, while the drive technology of Bruxelles-based specialist SEW-Eurodrive ensures maximum efficiency.